Have you ever wondered if machines could think and learn like us? It's a question that has intrigued us for decades and has led us to the dawn of an era marked by the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. In its simplest form, artificial intelligence is the science of making machines do things that would require intelligence if done by humans. It's about creating smart machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Imagine a world where machines can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. That's the world of AI. It's not just an idea from a sci-fi movie anymore. It's a reality that's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. For instance, have you ever asked Siri for the weather forecast, or used Google Assistant to set a reminder, or asked Alexa to play your favorite song? These are all examples of artificial intelligence at work. They use AI to understand your commands, learn from your preferences, and respond in a way that mimics human conversation. Artificial intelligence is not just limited to voice assistants. It's in your email, filtering out spam. It's in your social media feeds, suggesting posts you might like. It's in your online shopping sites, recommending products based on your previous purchases. It's virtually everywhere, enhancing our lives in ways we may not even realize. The magic of AI lies in its ability to mimic human intelligence. But it's not about replacing us. Instead, it's about augmenting our abilities, helping us make better decisions, and freeing us from mundane tasks. But how does this all work? How does a machine understand, learn, and respond? How does it mimic human intelligence? Well, the answer lies in a complex web of computer science, mathematics, and large amounts of data. So, as we step into this world of intelligent machines, let's pause for a moment and appreciate the sheer brilliance of artificial intelligence. It's not just about technology, it's about the potential to change the way we live, work, and think. As we delve deeper, let's uncover how these intelligent machines actually work. Behind the scenes, AI is a complex web of algorithms and data. Now let's break down what that actually means. At the heart of AI are concepts known as machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is essentially the process that allows AI to learn from experience. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bicycle. At first, they may fall off a few times, but as they practice, they get better at balancing and steering, eventually riding smoothly. That's essentially how machine learning works. Neural networks, on the other hand, are structures designed to mimic the human brain. They comprise layers of nodes, or neurons, that process data and communicate with each other, just like the neurons in our brain. These networks take in a lot of data, process it through multiple layers to identify patterns, and then make decisions based on that analysis. So, imagine you're showing an AI system a series of pictures of dogs and cats. The system starts with no understanding of what a dog or a cat looks like, but as it processes more and more images, it begins to recognize patterns. Maybe dogs have longer noses or cats have pointier ears. By identifying these patterns, the system can gradually learn to distinguish between dogs and cats. This is where the data part comes in. For AI to learn, it needs data, lots of it. The more data it has, the more patterns it can identify, and the better it can become at making predictions or decisions. For example, an AI system used in healthcare might be fed thousands of medical records. It could identify patterns among patients with a particular disease and use this information to predict whether a new patient might have the disease based on their symptoms and medical history. In essence, AI uses machine learning and neural networks to learn and improve, just like a human would learn and improve with experience. It uses vast amounts of data to make predictions and decisions, constantly refining its understanding and capabilities. With these tools, AI can learn and adapt, much like the human brain. AI is not just a technological marvel, it's reshaping our world. Just as the wheel altered the course of human history, artificial intelligence is carving its own significant path, touching every industry you can imagine. Let's take a look at a few of them. In healthcare, AI is more than a helping hand. It's a game changer. We're seeing AI-driven systems assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even personalizing treatment plans. What once took hours of meticulous labor can now be accomplished in mere minutes, saving lives and precious resources in the process. However, this is not without its challenges. Ensuring the accuracy of these systems and maintaining patient privacy are hurdles that we must overcome. Next, let's shift gears and look at transportation. Self-driving cars aren't just science fiction anymore, they're becoming our reality. AI algorithms help these vehicles navigate complex road networks, recognize pedestrians, and even predict potential hazards. But the road to fully autonomous vehicles is not without bumps. Safety concerns and regulatory issues are speed bumps that we still need to address. And who could forget about entertainment? AI is adding a dash of magic to our movies, music, and video games. Algorithms can now generate music, create stunning visual effects, and even script entire movies. But with this creative freedom comes the question of authenticity. Can an AI-created piece of art truly reflect human emotion? On the flip side, AI's impact isn't solely rosy. It poses significant challenges, from ethical dilemmas to job displacement fears. Balancing the benefits with these concerns is a tightrope walk that we, as a society, must navigate. AI's influence is widespread and growing, but what does this mean for our future? It's a question we'll all need to grapple with as we hurtle into a future defined by artificial intelligence. But one thing is certain, AI isn't just changing our world, it's redefining what's possible. The future of AI is a topic of much speculation and debate. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's clear that artificial intelligence will play an increasingly influential role in our lives, from healthcare to entertainment, from our homes to our workplaces. In the realm of machine learning, advancements are expected to skyrocket. We're already seeing algorithms that can learn from data without explicit programming, making decisions and predictions with a degree of accuracy that often surpasses human capability. Picture an AI that can predict disease outbreaks before they happen, or anticipate market trends with pinpoint precision. It's a future that's not as far off as you might think. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI grows more sophisticated, so too do the ethical concerns surrounding its use. Questions of privacy, security, and accountability are becoming increasingly pressing. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI respects our privacy and our rights? These are questions we must grapple with as we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do. As a result, there's a growing call for regulations and guidelines in AI development. We need to establish frameworks that ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. This means creating standards for transparency so we understand how AI makes decisions. It means setting up safeguards to protect against misuse. And it means making sure that AI benefits everyone, not just the privileged few. The road ahead is filled with promise and peril, but one thing is certain: AI is here to stay. As we harness its potential, we must also navigate the challenges it presents. It's a delicate balancing act, but one that's crucial for our future. As we move forward, the role of AI in our lives will only become more significant. It's an exciting time, a challenging time, but most of all, it's a time of profound change. And it's a change we're ready to embrace. So, what have we learned about AI? In our journey today, we've unveiled the intriguing world of artificial intelligence, pulling back the curtain to reveal its inner workings, its profound impact, and the future it's paving for us all. It's been an exciting voyage, unearthing the realities of AI, a technology that is no longer just science fiction, but an integral part of our everyday lives. We've seen how AI operates, how it learns and adapts, mimicking the human brain's functionality, but with a speed and accuracy that leaves us in awe. It's a complex web of algorithms and computations, a dance of data that, once set in motion, continues to evolve and grow. We've also looked at the impact of AI, the colossal footprint it's leaving on our world. From healthcare to transportation, finance to entertainment, there's hardly an industry that hasn't been transformed by this technological marvel. We've delved into the ways AI is revolutionizing our lives, making them more efficient, more connected, and in many ways more exciting. And then, we've peered into the future, a future where AI holds a prominent place. We've speculated about the advancements we might see, the potential for AI to take us places we've yet to imagine. It's a thrilling prospect, one that holds a promise of limitless possibilities. As we wrap up, I encourage you all to continue exploring the world of AI, dive into its depths, question its workings, understand its impact. Let's embrace the change it brings, the progress it promises. After all, the more we know, the better prepared we'll be for the future that AI is creating for us. Remember, AI is not just a concept for the future, it's here now,